This is the first video of JLPT N5 crash course, and in this video we will discuss how many Japanese scripts are there, which script we will be starting from today, and some basic Japanese words you will know by the end of this video, which will boost your confidence. So now starting from the first question, how many Japanese scripts are there? So like in English there is only one script, A B C D E F G. In Japanese there are three scripts. I guess we have already discussed about this, but once again let's revise this. So there are three Japanese scripts: hiragana, katakana and kanji. Kanji is considered to be difficult when compared to hiragana and katakana, which is a fact. Next, katakana is used for the words which were English words, but the Japanese language uses those English words in their language. For example, we know computer is an English word. Okay, in Japanese it is said computer. So the computer word in Japanese is taken from English word computer. So because it is an outsider word, it is written in katakana language. So all the words which are taken from English language are written in katakana. Okay. Now coming to hiragana. Hiragana is a third script, and it is like very commonly used. You will see it in many shops. You will see it at many shops, in many streets, many roads. Okay, so hiragana is commonly used. It is used for Japanese words, unlike katakana, which is used only for English words. Okay, so now on your screen we have a chart of hiragana words, because in this video we will be starting from hiragana words. Now you don't have to be scared of this chart that there are so many words. Before we start, you should know that there are 46 characters in hiragana and katakana, excluding dakuten and handakuten words. Now what are dakuten and handakuten? We will cover them in the next video, but for this video you need to know that there are 46 characters. Okay, so on your screen you can see a hiragana chart. Now you need to memorize all these characters. Okay, they are very easy: a, e, u, a, o. So in English there is A B C D E F G. In Japanese there is a, e, u, a, o. So this is the basically fixed pattern. So you can see how a is written, how e is written, how u is written, how a and how o are written. Now if we move to the second line, which is of k, the first word, because it is in A line, it would be ka, then ki, then ku, then k, then ko. So all the words of k, s, t, n, h, m are in a, e, u, a, o form. Like the s line, if we see sa, then she, then su, then se, and then so. So this is how hiragana words are written, and you don't have to be afraid. The first and the most important thing is you don't have to be afraid of this chart. You don't have to be scared. Basically, I don't want you to be scared, or I don't want you to leave Japanese because of this chart. Okay, I know there are 46 characters and they can make you feel that this will going to be a very tough thing to do, but believe me, I have done it. It's not as difficult as it seems. It is easy. Okay, if you are ready to work hard, if you are disciplined, then you will easily be able to do it. Or if you are like others who are experts in making excuses and leaving things in the middle, then no one can help you. Okay, but if you are dedicated, then it will be very easy for you. Now coming to a Japanese word which is written on your screen now. So this is a Japanese word, and it's okay if you don't know the meaning of this, because we have not told the meaning. So it's very common for you to not to know the meaning of this. Now we want you to pause the video for a minute and just see from the chart what is written. Okay, so I hope that now you have read what is written from the chart. It is kuruma. Okay, it is kuruma. It is now, what is kuruma? You might be thinking, what is kuruma? So in Japanese, kuruma means car. Simple. Car means kuruma in Japanese. Sorry, car is kuruma in Japanese. Okay, now we will study some more words so that you are well versed, and so that you are not scared of learning Japanese. Okay, it's easy. Basically, you need to practice this chart more and more. Also, you need to write down these hiragana characters on a sheet of paper, and when you will practice them more and more, they will seriously become a piece of cake for you. Now moving to the next two words. So the two words are on your screen. Now you can pause the video again for a minute and then you can read the words from the chart. So I hope you have read the words, and the first word is aka. Now you might be thinking, what is aka? In Japanese, aka means red. That's it, red color. Okay. Now what about the second word? If you have read it is aoi, then you are correct. Aoi means blue color. Okay. So in this video, we learned what is hiragana, what are some basic Japanese words like kuruma, aka and aoi. What do they mean? Now in the next video, we will cover dakuten, handakuten and hopefully a katakana chart. Okay, the next script which we need to cover. But before we move to the next video, it is very important for you to learn all these hiragana characters by heart until the next video comes, so that you are well ready for the dakuten and handakuten, which is an advanced topic of hiragana, and katakana, which is the next script. So it is must for you to learn this script by heart, so that when we come with the next video, you are ready with hiragana and you can move forward and deep dive into advanced topic of hiragana. So I hope this video was clear to you. This was just a basic starting of the hiragana script. So if you have subscribed to our channel, then thank you. Otherwise, if you have not subscribed to our channel, you can please take a minute and subscribe to our channel.